Hello viewers, Aslam here from Leads Flex. So that's lecture number 13. So in this lecture we are going to learn about the automations, and that's a most important part of the Go High Level. Doing start Go High Level, you will almost 95% use automations to do your work, your things, because the automations link with everything, with funnels, with website, with your membership area, with your reputation management system, with your affiliate portal, with your anything that you want to see in a Go High Level. It's linked with the automation. So that's the most important part of the Go High Level. We will divide automation in a 3 step. The first step is we will learn about what is automation. The second one is what is action, what is, and third one is what is trigger. So it's a vice versa, what is trigger, and then we will learn about what is action and how we can utilize them to automate our appointments, to automate our website workflows, to automate our emails, to run our campaigns. Each and everything we are going to learn here. It may be divided into 4 and 5 lectures of the automations section, because it's not a small thing. There is a lot of things we are going to discuss about each and everything here. So let me dive in a video, and I will log in our test account that we have created in a previous video. And yeah, just I log in our server account. So right now we are going to here go to simply. In a previous course we have discussed all things about marketing, payments, opportunities, contacts, calendars, conversations, and also dashboard and launchpad as well. So right now we are just simply go to automations. When you log in your automations tab, so you can see something like this. There is a no workflow, there is a no nothing, but we have this feature. We have content AI, we have global workflow, and in workflows uh, we have two things: need reviews, and also we have delete section and smart list. So basically these are our advanced feature. So in a starter part we are going to learn about basic automations. And what is automation? Automation is basically when we integrate two or four or three different tools on the same time, and they can perform our services or our task in a minutes, in a seconds. So that's a basic definition of automations. And let's create first automations. So for automation we have two options here. We have create folder first, and then we will create a workflow first. So I'm just going to create a work folder first. We will say that it's a test automations. It's not our, because we are not going to do any work on it. So I just create this folder. Making organized things, it's always better to understand your concept, and also it's look professional. So right now here we have a button create workflow, and also we have here as well. So I just click on it. So here we have two options. Here we have already built in automations, and here you can start from the scratch. So it's up to you. If you think these automations your requirements follow your requirements, then you can go with any of these automations. Otherwise simply go from the start. I just go from the scratch. I just click on it, and once you click on it you have this white dashboard, and here you have the workflow name or automation name. We will say that test automation 01. Okay, so that's our first automations. And in automations we have 4 part here. The first one is setting, where we can change all setting. It will be re-entry the procedure, allow multiple opportunities, or you want to allow a specific, you can do the stop on response. If someone responds, then it will be stop automatically. So you can on it or off it. It's up to you. You can select your, or according to your requirement. Here you can check your time zone, which time zone you want to run this workflow, specify time zone, and sender emails. For example, you are going to send with, I would like to say I will going to send with username, that's the owner of user. For example, in my account we have three user, one is me and two is my team member. So which username you want here, you can simply go and select the username. I would like to say emails, user emails, and select number if you have any numbers or any anything here that you want to mention for SMS. But right now I don't have anything here. I just save it. Or you can just manually specify as well. For example, I would like to say info at leadsflex.com. So you can do something like this and put manual name as well. I would say slum. You can do something like this, but it's up to you. And I simply go back, next section, and that's the enrollment history. So it's a basically procedure how your workflow performing and which features and function they are performing. Execution log, it's a basically log where we will check all our automation step, which step is performing proper, or which step we are facing errors. So basically for optimization we will check execution and enrollment history. So let me save it, and right now it's in a draft mode. You see we have on a draft and publish mode. If you want to publish, just click on it, but right now I'm not going to publish here because we don't have anything here. So in the next step, what we are going to do, we are going to set trigger. So what is trigger? Basically trigger is when someone book appointment, when someone submit form, and when someone do a message on us, and when someone submit on a website chat widget chat. So these are basically triggers. So let me just click on it, and here you see there is a lot of triggers here we are going to use in a future video. But right now I would like to say when form is submitted. So right now we don't have any form here. We simply go back and just create I will go to site. I will explain in the next videos and next lectures as well these section. I just say go to form, create new form. Right now I'm just doing it quicker, and in a future video I will explain form section as well with the detail how it's work for you. I'm not going to change anything here. I just change the name. I will say test 01. That's it. So I just go back. I'm not going to see submission here. So yeah, the form is created. I just click on the preview. That's a preview section. So I just go back again in automations, in a test section, and here we are going to set triggers for our form submit. We're going to say that form submit, that's our trigger, and simply I just say that's our trigger. And here what we have so here we have conditions or filter. You can say conditions or filter. I just click on it. I would say form is, then here we will select the form. If you have multiple form, you can select here multiple form, but if you don't select anything, then it will be select automatically all form that exist in your account. So I have this form. I would say just save trigger. Okay, so our trigger is saved. Here you can select multiple triggers as well. And in the next step, what we are going to do, we are going to select the action. When someone submit form, so what action we are going to perform here? We will send email, or simply I'm just going to say this emails, and I will like username and user email. It's already selected in our setting, but you can select here as well if you want. I would say test for now, and if you have any template design that we have discussed in email marketing section, and here we'll say test email. Okay, when someone submit form, then we will send this test email. So that's, you see, that's our trigger and that's our action. And in the next videos we will discuss about the different triggers, like we'll discuss about how we can create opportunities in automations and how we can update opportunities in automations. And in a part 2 we will discuss about all these things. So yeah, that's it from this video. In the next video we will going to learn about all other parts of the automation. Thank you so much for watching this. If you need any Go High Level services, simply go to leadsflex.com, and here you can book free consultation. If you go with my affiliate link, I will give you different snapshots. Right now I have this snapshot, and I'm going to publish more snapshot as well, and I will give you 3 snapshot free of cost if you can go with my affiliate link. Thank you so much for watching this video.